So Invisalign treatment depends on how much movement we need to do with your teeth. One single tray you wear for 22 hours a day. So literally, you are married to this tray. You're going to sleep with it. You're going to, keep it on all day. Only time you take it out is whenever you're eating. And the most amount of time you could take it out for is 40 minutes a piece. So 40 minutes for breakfast, 40 minutes for lunch, 40 minutes for dinner. Obviously for snacks, you're going to be pretty quick with it and you're going to pop it back in. So keep it in as much as you can. That will ensure that your teeth are moving. As far as like the length of treatment, it really depends on how, much movement we need to do with your teeth. If we're shifting teeth together, that's going to be a lot quicker form of treatment than if we have to rotate teeth and then shift them together. So that length really depends. Most amount of time you're going to be when Invisalign is around 2 years. So that's like the extreme of the extreme. But other than that, just individual trays themselves is 22 hours a day. The treatment for Invisalign differs from traditional braces because it's a lot more user-friendly. So you could take it out whenever you're eating, and that way you don't have to worry about what you're eating. You could eat whatever you want with them. You could also brush your teeth, as good as possible and not having to worry about the brackets and wires getting in the way. So instead of, you having to go under the wires, go around the brackets whenever you're brushing, you have your natural teeth. Yes, you will have something we call attachments on your teeth, but that is not going to get in the way of the brush, going around the tooth or you flossing. So it is a lot user-friendly than traditional braces is. The duration between Invisalign and traditional braces is now pretty much equal, if not sooner. So Invisalign is able to get you the result a lot quicker just because we're able to predict where your teeth are going right from the beginning. Whereas traditional braces, we are still trying to tweak as we go. So at the end of treatment, it may take a few more months. Whereas with Invisalign, as long as you're following the regimen, then you should be right on track and be able to finish right whenever Invisalign gives you that deadline to finish. Patient compliance is the number one thing with Invisalign. You are responsible for keeping the tray in, and you are responsible for making sure you move on to the next set of trays whenever it is time. Those are really the two main things you have to do. And if you're able to keep the tray in and then move on whenever you need to move on, then you'll be able to achieve that result. If you forget to wear the tray for a few hours, it will affect your result. But again, if you're able to be compliant with it, you'll get such a good result at the very end.